To me personally, wearing a pair of fresh sneakers means everything. If you look good, you always feel good.
And having that outlook of looking fresh is what So Fresh means to me.
So Fresh is Jersey City's first premium shoe care pickup and delivery service. Think of it as dry cleaning for your shoes.
Growing up, the sneakers that I get, I try to take care of them as much as I can, wear them to the ground. And as I got older, the whole mindset of just keeping my sneakers clean and fresh and having that outlook of looking fresh is what So Fresh means to me.
Jersey City culture is all about looking good, looking fresh. You see people walking around having the latest Jordans, any of the latest sneakers that are out there.
From the sneakerheads to the young professionals, we're able to cater to the convenience of our customers. So that way, if you look good, you feel good, you do good.
So some people may look at it as just, oh, it's just a pair of sneakers. To me, it's not just a pair of sneakers. And just knowing how my brother was and how he always wanted to look fresh, it rubbed off me a lot, actually.